Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today my exam was completed and my exam was on 19th 12 2021 and in second shift guys. So today I will share my section wise attempts and also overall attempts and also what was the level of the paper each and every section I will discuss in this video guys. So in this day all the 3 days of IBPS clerk prelims 2021 exam is over. Next our target is we will prepare for mains examination. In these few days we have exam on either 22nd January 2022 or else 29th. So I don't know exactly which date is fixed. So for that mains examination from tomorrow onwards we will prepare hardly for mains examination guys. Tomorrow I will provide main schedule for upcoming examinations IBPS PO mains, SBA PO mains and also IBPS clerk mains. So I will cover these three mains examination schedule in tomorrow video guys. So today I'm already told you guys my exam is on second shift 19th date. So overall the level of the paper was moderate guys. So in second shift compared to all the four shifts, second shift was moderate because in English section was moderate and also quant section is calculative and in reasoning section so easy. Compared to these two sections reasoning section was easy guys. So overall the paper was moderate and my attempts were 82. So my attempts are 82 guys overall. So next I will discuss each and every section attempts and also level of the paper. Overall the paper was moderate, so moderate level. And next first section is English language section. In English language first they given 1 to 5 parajumble questions guys. So I got the sequence of parajumble DB A EC. So this was the parajumble sequence. So anyone in this shift please share your rearrangement of parajumble sequence guys. So I got TBA EC is sequence of parajumble and share yours also. And next after that in 6 to 15th or 14th question RC. So these are 1 to 5 questions and in 6 to 14 or 13 so I forgot that. So they given RC. So the RC was moderate guys. So they given two synonyms and one antonym. I forgot one synonym or antonym. So one is synonym of RC, one is reading synonym. So I put the glancing is the right answer. So anyone put this answer please share your answer. So reading synonym is glancing. And one more word guys, so congress, so I forgot that. So congress is either synonym or antonym, I forgot that. And next after RC they given fill in the blanks too and also errors spotting, it means swapping error spotting 4 to 5 questions guys. So this is my overall English language section paper. So in each and every section I maintain with accuracy guys because so in this stage accuracy plays a crucial role in examination guys. That's why I put answers on only confident questions. That's why my attempts are very low. So 82 are my attempts So in English language section, in my view, all the answers are correct. Not only all, so 4 to 5 questions are wrong in my view. So I don't know exactly how many questions are correct, how many questions are wrong. So my parasample sequence is wrong, correct in my view. So some of the students are getting same rearrangement, and in RC the synonym is also correct. So remaining are also correct in my view. So we will wait for the result. So what are my marks and what are my chances to clearing this examination? So all these things until we will wait for the result, guys. And next, so this is overall English language section. So in English language section I attempted 23 questions only. So I'm already told you guys, because of accuracy purpose I attempted only 23 questions. And in next, in quant section, so they given two DIs, two data interpretations. So one is they given two classes A and B, and it consists males and also females. So each and every class have two sections, sales department and also account department. So they given many of the students stuck in this data interpretation, guys, because they given only in class A, they given only sales department. Sorry guys, they given only sales department values. That's why many of the confused. So they spent 4 to 5 minutes in this only this DI. So I did this DI, guys. So I got all the answers. And one more DI is, so blankets, jackets, and one more sweaters. So they given four types of clothes names and given PQRS. So this is one DI, guys. And next, one question in upstream and downstream. I left that question, upstream downstream question. And one question is based on so square, perimeter of square, so something. And five questions in simplifications. And so some more questions, guys, I forgot that. So these are some questions in quant section. In quant section my attempts are 28 only, guys. 28 questions only. Because of scrolling purpose I put the answer 2 to 3 times, but my clicking button was, so this is my quant section attempts. So I thought all 28 are correct. And in third section is reasoning ability section. In reasoning ability section I attempted 31 questions. So in my view all 31 questions are correct. So 1 2 3, so first 3 questions in Silox and 3 questions in Silox, and also another 3 questions are in so blood relations, and 4 or 5 questions in linear based arrangement, and 4 or 5 questions in square based puzzle, and one question is alphabets based left to right arrangement, and 3 questions are in they given alphabet words, 4 alphabetical words. So because of in reasoning section, in these 3 questions 4 alphabetical based words questions are moderate, guys, because they given 4 to 5 lines in 3 questions. That's why time taking in these questions, in these 3 questions. and one question in word, finding word. And next, so these are the some questions, guys. So overall my attempts in reasoning section is 31, and in quant 28, and in English 23. So overall 82 questions, 23 questions in English, 28 questions in quant, 31 questions in reasoning. So overall 82 questions. So I'm already told you guys, in my view, all my questions in quant and reasoning is 100% accuracy, and in English language question, minimum to minimum 4 to 5 questions are wrong in my view. So remaining all are correct. So this is my overall 19th date second shift review and my overall attempts, guys. Anyone in this shift, please share your attempts and section wise attempts also. And if you have any doubt in this shift, please share in comment section, guys. I will clarify you. So thank you for watching this video, guys, and thank you, and wait for the our result. So from tomorrow onwards I will upload 4th week of August current affairs, guys. So thank you, guys.